From trusted family transportation to off-road all-wheel drive excitement, Subaru is gaining fans and market share across the country. When the time comes for you to build a repair plan for any of the Subaru models, ALLDATA has the information you need. Using the Collision Technician reference, you can easily access and review each Subaru's position statements along with the towing and recovery guidelines. Once you have selected your vehicle for repair planning, you can access the vehicle's body repair manual in the entirety from the service and repair section. The manual contains Subaru's direction for part replacement, body dimensions or measurements, general body repair, and coatings information. Additionally, users can navigate to specific sections or information using the familiar and repeatable format of ALLDATA Collision, including repairs and inspections required after a collision. This direct feed of unfiltered OE repair information ensures you'll always have the information needed to estimate and repair Subaru vehicles. Want to learn more about ALLDATA Collision? Contact us today.